How to change email address in Bybit account. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can change email address in Bybit account. So here you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to log into your Bybit account, or you can visit the Bybit website or open the Bybit app. So there you have to enter your email address and password to login. Once you have login, then you have to go to the top right corner of the home page where you can see the profile icon or username displayed. So you have to click on the profile icon and select the account and security from the drop down menu. So in the account and security section, you have to find the option to change your email address. Then you have to click on change email address. Bybit may require you to verify your current email address before making any changes, which might involve sending a verification code to your current email. So you have to check your email box for the verification code and you have to enter that. After verifying your current email, you will be prompted to enter your new email address. Then you have to make sure to enter the new email address accurately. So the Bybit will send a verification code or link to your new email address. Then you have to check your new email inbox and follow the instruction to verify the new email address. Once you have verified your new email address, the change will be completed and you should receive a confirmation email to your both old and new email address. So you have to ensure that your new email address has been updated and you have to update your login credential. So with the help of this process, you can easily change your email address in Bybit account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.